Hello viewers, hope you are safe. Today I am going to explain coordinating conjunction. So this is Uma Patra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Coordinating conjunction. This is one conjunction or connector which is used to join two independent sentences of equal rank or order. There are four kinds of coordinating conjunctions: cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunction, disjunctive or alternative conjunction, and illative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction is one conjunction which is used to join two independent sentences or two sentences of equal rank or importance. There are four kinds of coordinating conjunctions: cumulative conjunctions, adversative conjunctions, disjunctive or alternative conjunctions, and illative conjunctions. Cumulative conjunction. This is one conjunction which is used to join two statements, one statement to the other, one statement to another. That means at first we should know what is cumulative. The word cumulative is related to cumulate. Cumulate means to accumulate, to amass, to make together. So cumulative conjunction is one conjunction that is used to connect one statement to the other, to make together. Cumulative conjunctions. Cumulative conjunction is one conjunction that is used to add one statement or fact to another. Okay. Conjunctions are and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only, but also. Let us see the use of cumulative conjunctions. Keep me plot and I will give you freedom. Here and conjunction is used to join both the sentences, both the sentences are independent sentences. To make it one, we use the conjunction and. Riemann sent in your application and waited by the phone for a response. The same thing and is used here to make the sentence one. The job was both lucrative and interesting. Two sentences which are the job was lucrative, the job was interesting. To make it one, conjunction both and is used. Okay. The idea was both original and practical. The idea was original, the idea was practical. To make it one, both and conjunction is used. She wrote the story as well as composed the music. She wrote the story, one sentence, another is she composed the music. Okay. To make it one, as well as is used. She wrote the story as well as composed the music. He as well as his father is honest. He is honest, his father is honest. To make it one, as well as is used. Okay. I am no less than obliged to my party and to my voters. No less than conjunction is used here to connect both the sentences. One is I am obliged to my party, another I am obliged to my voters. She no less than her sister is at fault. She is at fault, her sister is at fault. Which connector is used? No less than. She not only supported the family financially but also kept them united. Okay. Conjunction not only but also is used to make both the sentences one. What are the sentences? She supported the family financially, she kept them united. Okay. Not only the house but also the garage needs painting. The house needs painting, the garage needs painting. To make it one, not only but also conjunction is used. Adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction is that which expresses opposition, contrast or difference. Adversative is related to adverse, means what? To oppose, to say negative. Adversative conjunctions. Adversative conjunction is one conjunction that is used to express opposition or contrast between two statements. Opposition or contrast means difference. The conjunctions are but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. Let us see the use of adversative conjunctions. She is knowledgeable but inefficient. She is knowledgeable, she is inefficient. Okay, two sentences. joined by but. That shows what? Difference, opposition. So, but is one adversative conjunction. I want to go to the party but feel tired. The same thing, I want to go to the party, I feel tired. Both the sentences connected by but and shows what? Difference. I want to go to the party. Okay, I feel tired. In both the sentences there is one difference. That shows what? Contrast. So, used by, connected by but. He has been given 2 promotions in less than a year. Yet or still he is not satisfied. Yet or still, alternatively we can use one. He is not satisfied. He has been given 2 promotions. He is not satisfied. That expresses what? Opposition, contrast. So, to express contrast and opposition, we use conjunction yet or still. We run all the way, still or yet we are late for school. The same thing, still or yet is used to express opposition. We are very tired, nevertheless we continued the work. We are very tired, nevertheless we continued the work. What shows here? Difference. Okay, contrast. So, nevertheless is used to express contrast. She worked all day, nevertheless she continued her work. The same thing. The wise try to improve themselves, whereas or while the fool keep blaming their luck. 2 sentences, the wise try to improve themselves. Next sentence, the fool keep blaming their luck. Joined by whereas or while. Alternatively, we can use one. Okay, it shows what? Contrast. Rice needs plenty of water, whereas wheat needs less water. Rice needs plenty of water, while wheat needs less water. That shows contrast. I am all right, only I am busy. The same thing, to express opposition we use only. I would have loved to play chess with you, only I have an appointment with my doctor. Okay, I would have loved to play chess, only I have an appointment with my doctor. What it shows? Opposition. Understand? So, only is used to express opposition. Disjunctive or alternative conjunction. Disjunctive means not connected or separated, and alternative means a choice between 2 or more. So, disjunctive or alternative conjunction means which is used to join 2 statements to express a choice between 2 alternatives. Disjunctive or alternative conjunction. Conjunctions that express a choice between 2 alternatives is called disjunctive or alternative conjunction. Conjunctions are or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. Okay, let us see the use of alternative or disjunctive conjunctions. You can come personally or you can send your representative. Okay, or is used to show the alternation. Okay, anyone, you can come personally or you can send your representative, any one choice. There you use or. He could go by bus or by train. 2 sentences, he could go by bus or he could go by train. Joined by or to express what? One choice. Shows either your driving license or your voter ID card. Okay, connected by 2 sentences connected by either or. Show us your driving license. Another sentence, show us your voter ID card. One choice. Okay, it shows what? It expresses what? One choice. There you use either or. Either take it or leave it. One sentence take it, another sentence leave it. So, connected by either or to express one choice. He can neither read nor speak English. He cannot read English. He cannot speak English. 2 sentences are connected by neither nor. Okay, one choice. He is neither smart nor active. He is not smart. He is not active. Sorry, she is not smart. She is not active. There you use what? Neither nor. We connect both the sentences using neither nor, as it is one negative sentence. labor hard, otherwise you will not pass. Okay. Alternation, you labor hard. To pass, you have to labor hard. So this is one choice. You have to accept all these conditions, else you will not get the contract. So there is one choice. You have to accept all these conditions. Okay. Illative conjunction. Illative conjunction is that which is used to join two statements to express an inference. Inference means a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence or reasoning. Illative conjunctions. This is the conjunction which is used to express an inference. Okay, the conjunctions are for, so, therefore. Let's use illative conjunctions. For, so, therefore. He will pass, for he works very hard. Okay, there should be one evidence. What is what is illative conjunction? Illative conjunction is used to express an inference. What is inference? Means one conclusion reached on the basis of evidence or reasoning. Okay, what is the he will pass, for he works very hard. Two sentences, one is he will pass, another is he works very hard. What is the evidence here? He works very hard. For he works very hard, he will pass. That is the inference. Conclusion. Conclusion what? He will pass. For he works very hard. I will prefer hot coffee, for it is very cold today. Okay. What is the conclusion? What is the inference? I will prefer hot coffee. Why? For it is very cold today. This is the reason. Okay. It was raining heavily, therefore, or so, he could not go to school. Anyone you can alternatively you can use therefore or so. He could not go to school. Reason is what? It was raining heavily. Evidence is what? It was raining heavily. This is the conclusion, inference. Okay, there you use therefore or so. He had not cleared the dues, so power supply to his factory was disconnected. Power supply to his factory was disconnected. What is the reason? What is the evidence? There is need of one evidence. Okay, so the evidence is he had not cleared the dues. So or therefore, one conjunction, that is the illative conjunction, okay, used to express an inference. Understand? That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.